Well, here we are counting down for the start of the 45-foot big boat class on the second weekend of the big boat regatta here with the Hamble River Sailing Club. All the racing sponsored by Garmin. There's the 45-foot boats on the start line, and they've got away to a clean start. Werewolf closest to us on the safe lured position. That's a good position Werewolf's got there, clean air. Off to a windward mark, which is just around about a mile, dead to windward, up at East Knoll. So it's very close still on this run down to the leeward mark now. Werewolf still has it just. Slow pan across. Shockwave jiving. Fidessa Fastwave is in there as well. This is all very tight stuff. Inside boat, overlap. Fidessa Fastwave. Good sailing. Well, from this vantage point, all one can say is that that was a very well judged approach by Fidessa Fastwave there.